Bonjour, buon giorno. This is Julien, the guy who makes pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this bull, because yes, this was the name of a bull before it was the name of a car. Every Lamborghini car is named after a famous bull. So how do you go about pronouncing the name of this car? You may actually be surprised to learn that this is also the Spanish word for bat. Yes, I guess somewhat the design of the car has similar traits with the shape of a bat too, right? So in English or American it's normally pronounced Murciélago, Lamborghini Murciélago. But because this is a Spanish word with the genuine original Spanish pronunciation, you want to pronounce Murciélago. Because there is an accent on the E, this is the letter and syllable you want to emphasize on. Lamborghini Murciélago. Lamborghini Murciélago. If you want to learn how to pronounce Lamborghini like a pro with the typical Italian pronunciation, here is a video just for you. Arrivederci, ciao ciao, hasta luego.